Elflanes, it's Nico. Look, I look like, I don't know, alive, dead, kind of a little bit of both. Let me have a drink. So, I'm going to do live chat. I'm going to be a couple minutes late with live chat because I have a dice unbagging. Yay! This is from the D20 Collective. This is the $5 dice, and the dice that are $5 change each week. How many did I get? 4? 1, 2, 3, 5. Got 5 sets of $5 dice. I tried to get sets I'm not initially drawn to. Like, there is one set that I'm just like in love with, but I tried to get a variety of sets of things. Ooh, cute. Cute, cute. Oh, cute. That's way prettier in person. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, it just doesn't have a paper in it. Okay. Alright, this is going to be real quick because I have to do live chat. This is beautiful. This is red and black pearl swirls with gold numbering. Again, I will have pictures at the end. Holy crap, that's gorgeous. $5. This is called, oh, they're named. Okay, of course they are. I knew that. I don't see the name for this one, but this is called Toxic Storm. And this is a green and black with gold numbering swirled. This is called Hydronic Serenity. And this is clear with green and pink. I was going to say purple, it's not. And gold numbering. Oh, that's really pretty. This is called Frigid Vision, and this is kind of like clear and a pearly white swirly around. Ooh, the D8 is particularly pretty with blue, light blue numbering. There, that's a good, And this one is Rustic Blue, and it is blue and red swirled, like a deeper red, with gold numbering. I got a lot of gold numbers. So, I'm really impressed. Seriously impressed with the quality of these dice. They're so pretty. So pretty. These are gorgeous. I am so excited to be making things with these. Okay. I don't want to lose them. I also, when I make whatever containers these will end up having, I don't know if it's going to have a rolling table with it, or if it's going to have a treasure chest, or a tin container holder thing. But all of the sets, my plans are to have containers for the entire set. So whoever wants a dice set just grabs their container and goes, or grabs their rolling tray and sets it on the table or whatever. But I will definitely include the maker where I got the dice themselves from, except apparently on this one because it doesn't have a little thingy. But I'm not making the dice yet. In the future, I will make some dye. We will see. But right now I'm not making dye. I'm ordering dye from people, from companies, and I will make sure whoever adopts my creations that includes the dice will know where they're from. Okay, so this is good. This is a good start. I think I have a good start for... It's gonna fall. I have a good start base to start doing dice containers and some rolling trays. I am late for live chat, so we're gonna jump into live chat. But that is my D20 Collective dice haul. I'll make sure to do pictures at the end. Thank you guys for watching this really quick video. I'm sorry it's not longer. I'm sorry I'm not taking them all out and oohing and eyeing over them, but they pretty. I love y'all very much, and I will talk to you later. Bye! Mwah.